Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you electric spray massage comb anti-frizz hair steam brush review. So, in this case, this hair comb here combines a scalp massaging design with a built-in fine mist sprayer. Now, the comb head uses a soft, elastic hair air cushion base paired with rounded massage bristles, intended to stimulate the scalp and ease tension without scratching. Now, while a built-in electric spray function releases a fine, moisturizing mist as your comb, aim at reducing static, smoothing frizz, and adding hydration to the hair. Now, according to them, it's made from ABS plastic, weighs around 138 grams, and it's marketed as suitable for all hair types: curly, straight, thick, thin, long, or short. Now, how do you exactly use this product here? Now, in this case, the page doesn't detail step-by-step operation instructions beyond its general design here, but based on the described functions here, using it involves filling the activating the mist sprayer, then combing through the hair as you would with a standard comb, letting the release mist here coat the hair as the bristles pass through and massage the scalp. Now, on the pricing side here, it's listed at around $39.99, discounted from the usual $79.99 reference price here. Now, it's your choice of white, pink, or purple, so single or multi-packs as well, including mixed color bundles, and free shipping applies on orders over $59.99. Now, the company that's selling this specific product is actually based on New Jersey, US. That's according to their website, but that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.